sweet friends, welcome back to my channel. Hello. We, as in you and I, are getting ready to go to Target. I just got off the best girls date FaceTime with one of my ultimate goddess high vibe besties, Chakra Girl, Amberly Lyons. Love her. I'm gonna be on her podcast really soon. She's gonna be on mine soon. If you are not subscribed to my podcast, check it out down below. Light, Love, and Lace podcast. Everything self-love, spirituality, sensuality, all of the goddess vibes for the modern day goddess living in this new world. I love it. Did I just have a stroke? Did I just have a stroke? Age of Aquarian, you know what I mean? Speaking of, I just got back from a retreat in Joshua Tree, Elevate the Globe. If you don't follow them on Instagram or their Elevator podcast, check it out. But they did a beautiful Kundalini yoga retreat in Joshua Tree, and they had me come in and teach a workshop on self-love and manifesting, and it was so magical, so moving, so profound. Not a dry eye in the house. There were such big shifts made, and I am so humbled and honored in this lifetime to be helping so many people and empowering so many people and teaching so many people the power and the magnitude and the value of self-love and how self-love goes hand in hand with manifesting. And you can't live your best life, you can't create your best life if you don't fucking love yourself, if you don't know you're worthy of that. Goddess bless. So a big thing that I was doing during my talk, I would say, I say goddess, you say bless. Goddess, bless. It was so funny. I had to be there. But I want to show you guys, Moon Juice just sent me their new product. It's called Super Hair. Super Hair. Be hair now. Super funny. Be hair now, be hair now. Super hair. I'm super excited to try this. Daily hair nutrients. It also said it's really good for stress. I'm not gonna lie, there's nothing on the bottle, so I think I have to look it up online, but it says, Marissa, enjoy your new stress busting hair boosting capsule, Super Hair. Take it daily and watch your hair brows and brows. I don't want to grow more brows. Not a bro bitch. Hair, brows, and lashes grow. Super excited. I have no idea if this is launched yet, but I do know that I loved their Super You formula, which was kind of about like anti-stress, balancing your mood and hormones. I really love that, so I'm super excited to try out their new product. But we, as in you and I, are getting ready to go to Target. Mama needs some things, and we are gonna go do the damn thing. So we are gonna grab our purse, we are going to grab our phone, we have our camera, and we're gonna go hop in that baby range and head out to Target. Good morning, my sweet friends. The lighting is so bad, but I am currently off to go get a blowout. I am so excited. I'm doing so much filming this weekend, so I thought I would get a blowout. Super excited. I went and got my coconut latte. I've been loving the coconut milk game, but I'm not gonna lie, I prefer cold brew over like lattes because the calories are so much lower and I feel like it gives me so much more energy. This just has so much milk in it, even with like 5 shots of espresso, you know what I mean? My friend Marie is watching this and she is like shook at how much caffeine that is. But I'm gonna go to Dry Bar. I love Dry Bar so much. Dry Bar and my assistance with keeping my house clean is by far 2 of my top self-care things that keep me feeling good and feeling abundant and feeling happy and feeling sane. So I try and get a cleaning lady maybe like once a month and just do some like really great deep cleaning. I use Handy. I'll have a link down below if you guys want a discount. I think it's if like you use Handy your first time, it's like $20, $50 off. So then I think it would be maybe $50. But $100 once a month to like release some stress and ease, 100%. Dry Bar keeps raising their prices and I'm not pleased about that. You know what I mean? But the girl who does my hair, I'm obsessed with her. We are like friends, we talk all the time. I love her to pieces. So I always love getting to see her. And yeah, let's go do the damn thing. Like, what is this hair doing? Who is she? Who is she? Okay, let's go do it. Also brought my book. Current book that I'm rereading is Personal Power Through Awareness. Hands down one of my favorite books. Rereading that. Love, love that. Have my wallet that I got at a thrift store with my cute little boob pin. What's sticking out of this? Oh my god, what is this? A Van Leeuwen Free scoop card. Oh, abundance. Look at that free ice cream. I think Sophie gave that to me. And my friend Sam gave me this Coffee Bean gift card, so I haven't been having to pay for my coffee. Thank you, Sam. I've been working so much on being in more of a receiving mode because I'm someone who like always pays for other people, always buys things for other people, or like when people want to like buy me coffee, buy me lunch, like get me anything, do anything for me, even like acts of service, like doesn't even have to be like buying anything. I'm always like, no, it's okay, I'll do it, it's okay, I'll do it. I don't know about you guys, but that's one of my biggest things is working on like receiving, especially in relationships. I'm always the one to be like swipe swipe, and that never ends up well, you know? So yeah, we are working into getting into more of a receptivity mode so we can hold more, do more, be more, expand more, and all those things, so we can hold all the greatest things that we want in this lifetime. You know what I mean, queen? Okay, great, let's go get our fucking hair done because we look awful. Also, let's pay the meter because I feel like every time I'm here I get a parking ticket. Close the door with our ass, living our truth. Hello, my loves. Let me turn my potty cast off. Okay, I have had a busy but fun day. It has been the best day, you guys. I just got back from the grocery store. I picked up some broccoli. I picked up some cabbage. I just realized I don't know if this is organic. See what happens when I don't buy the organic broccoli from Trader Joe's in the plastic. I have no idea what it is. Okay, that's okay. I'm making my dinner, obviously. So I wanted to pick up some broccoli, not in plastic. I'm going to steam up some baby gold potatoes, saute some organic zucchini, purple cabbage, broccoli, and then just mix it all together. And I thought it'd be really yummy and grounding and nourishing. Super excited. This cabbage looks so good. I'll probably use like a quarter of this, I don't know. Crystals with all my food, of course. I'm gonna steam some potatoes, use this whole thing of broccoli, and then probably use a full zucchini. Super excited. I also picked up a few other things at the store, a few of my other like essentials. An essential tea, the organic rose hips with hibiscus tea. This is not only great if you have a UTI, but I take it or drink it all the time because it has amazing vitamin C in it. This Tulsi Organic India Sweet Rose stress relieving and magical holy basil tea is one of my must-haves. I really love the cinnamon one as well, and this is really great for like enhancing your feminine energy. It's really calming as well, and I love that one to mix with the nettle leaf tea, which Medical Medium is all about. And then with my nettle leaf tea, I either do the sweet rose tea or I do the lemon balm tea, which is really good for the nervous system, and if you're ever like feeling really overwhelmed or anxious or stressed or anything like that, that tea is amazing for that. So I'm going to light some candles. Where is it? I just picked up 2 new pillows today from Target that I think are absolutely beautiful. I picked up a new throw blanket. The past couple of days I've seriously just been decluttering and organizing things, and I've decluttered, cleansed, released so much stuff. And after I did that, I found this amazing chair for free. Love it so much. My office is finally coming along. I will give you guys a sneak peek, a little sneak peek. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen the whole thing. You totally get it. Our Instagram fam knows everything. But it is so clean in here. I had to go pick up new floor cleaner today, the Squirt and Mop. So I get to clean my floors soon. But a really fun like snack that I picked up is this Follow Your Heart smoked Gouda and the Conscious Mary's crackers. Obsessed with these, so good. And I eat those with mustard and it's just delicious. Okay, babes, quickest dinner ever. Steamed potatoes, a little bit of garlic powder. I would use real garlic, but I'm currently out. Some oil-free hummus. This is just the broccoli, cabbage, coconut aminos, zucchini, broccoli, salt and pepper, and the garlic powder. Simplest foods, so good, and I even have some left over for breakfast tomorrow. Let's be real, I don't really eat breakfast, but sometimes if I do, I want savory food. But normally I don't eat till earliest like 1. It's 8:30 right now. Big fasting gal, big fasting gal. So good. Hello my babes, hello my sweet friends. I am reporting from Palm Springs, the Ace Hotel, Palm Springs, celebrating 2 of my best friends getting married, Antrim and Alexandra. It is the end of the trip. I am packing up, ready to go, and you know, now we're off to Joshua Tree, going back to Joshua Tree. Getting out has been so good. Being in fresh air has been so good. So many stories about this trip are about to come out. Like, I'm literally so excited. Let's go outside. Let's like take a, oh, same queen, same. What I was gonna say, so many stories are about to come out from this trip, and so much greatness. Also, okay. Things got weird last night, y'all. Things got weird last night, but I got one of the garden rooms at the Ace Hotel. Big fan, highly recommend. That's definitely Katie's breast milk on the floor. Cool. But highly recommend the Ace Hotel. I'd never been here before. I'd never even stayed in Palm Springs before. I always just go to Joshua Tree. But this was a blast and a half, and I 500% still have last night's makeup on. And I'm getting ready in a rush, that's French for rush. I'm getting ready, I'm getting my ish together. I'm literally throwing things in my bag so I can go back to Joshua Tree and go see my girlfriend and get back to our creating life. Don't get me wrong, the past 2 or 3 days, so much fun. Did the group of friends think that I was gonna have a threesome with this couple? Yes. Did that happen? Absolutely not. But does it make a good story? Absolutely. So much goodness happened. I can't wait to share some stories on the podcast. That's where those will be. On the podcast, I started doing these Lace Life updates. Also, my dress is the most unflattering thing ever. Like, this thing's like a moo-moo, but like I'm here for that, you know? Okay, Marissa, let's go. Okay. Get your head in the game. That's not a song, I just made that up. Oh, but I just started doing this thing for the podcast called Lace Life Updates. So I'll definitely be recording one of those tonight, I think. I'm so excited. By the way, currently not in my apartment, obviously in Palm Springs for my friends getting engaged, but my apartment, there's some mold in the apartment, so they need to take care of that because I was getting really sick and my dogs were getting not that great. This bottle of rosé, what do I do with it?